Before you open the app, plug in your headset. The first step is to open collegia.org and click on the Burlington English icon. You can't use Safari for Burlington if you are a Mac user. Click Courses. English 2 students. Click Advanced English 1 for the first semester. Click on Student Lessons. Click on the arrow to see the entire module and open the module lessons. With your mouse, you can click on the back arrow to go back to the previous menu. Each lesson in each module must be completed. Let's open Lesson 1 in Module 1. When you enter each lesson, you will see there are several activities that need to be completed. Make sure to pace yourself to complete one activity at a time. Some activities require you to record your voice. Click on the play icon to listen to the correct pronunciation of the word. After you hear the word, the microphone will appear. Click on the microphone icon and wait 3 seconds. You will notice that the microphone will blink in red. This means it's ready to record. Now you can speak the word slowly. Be sure to speak normally. Wait until your recording registers. You do not need to click on the microphone again. Once you are done with an activity, click Check to submit your responses to be scored. If you do not click Check, your work will not be submitted. Do not leave the page or click Check until everything is done. Let's try the role play activity. Press the play button to listen to the correct pronunciation of the entire conversation. Then select one character at a time to record. The microphone will appear next to the play button. Click on the microphone, wait, then pronounce the words slowly and wait until it records what you said. Do not click on the microphone more than once. You must record the conversation parts for both characters and click Check each time. You can click on the percentage at the top to see your progress. You will notice the progress box for the current module appear. When you see the boxes shaded in blue, it means that activity was completed. If it is white, it has not been completed. And you can click on the activity number to go to that activity. Remember, you can always click on the back arrow to go back to the student lessons. And that's it. You're ready to begin working in Burlington English.